Imagine discovering that the Pythagorean theorem wasn't actually originated by Pythagoras himself, but by an ancient Indian mathematician named Baudhayana. Born around 800 BC and passing away in 740 BC, Baudhayana was a Vedic Brahmin priest and an extraordinary mathematician whose works laid the foundations for many modern mathematical principles. His life and contributions remain highly influential, yet not widely known outside scholarly circles. Baudhayana authored one of the earliest Sulbasutras, ancient Indian texts that primarily dealt with the geometry needed for constructing altars. These Sulbasutras are among the oldest known documents in Indian mathematics. His work on these texts reveals advanced concepts far ahead of their time. Perhaps Baudhayana's most significant contribution is his formulation of a theorem that we widely recognize today as the Pythagorean theorem. Long before Pythagoras walked the earth, Baudhayana had documented that the area of the square constructed on the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle is equal to the sum of the areas of the squares on the other two sides. In addition to pioneering the Pythagorean theorem, Baudhayana made substantial contributions to several other crucial mathematical concepts. He provided an early method for calculating the value of pi, suggesting an approximation of p as 3. This might seem simplistic by modern standards, but it was a pivotal step in the historical development of mathematics. Baudhayana's mathematical brilliance extended beyond geometry. He introduced the approximate value of the square root of 2, stating it as follows: the measure by which the diagonal of a square exceeds the sum of its sides is approximately 1.4142, an impressively close estimation. Baudhayana's works also include the concepts of constructing circles and squares with equal areas, a task that involves complex geometrical understanding. His instructions for these constructions in the Sulbasutras demonstrate a practical application of advanced mathematical principles. Despite the immense contributions Baudhayana made to mathematics, his recognition has often been overshadowed in the Western world by Greek mathematicians who came centuries later. It's somewhat of a historical oversight that while Euclid, for instance, is a household name in geometry, Baudhayana is not as widely acknowledged, particularly outside India. Baudhayana's legacy is preserved in the rich tradition of Indian scholars and mathematicians that followed. His Sulbasutras have been an invaluable resource for historians and mathematicians alike, offering a window into the advanced state of ancient Indian mathematical thought. His name might not be as universally known as Pythagoras or Euclid, but the principles and ideas he introduced have left an indelible mark on the course of mathematics. In recognizing Baudhayana's contributions, we not only appreciate the historical context of mathematical development, but also acknowledge the interconnectedness of knowledge across cultures and centuries. Through his works, Baudhayana exemplified the universal nature of mathematical truth, a truth that transcends time and geography. For those interested in delving deeper into Baudhayana's life and works, his Sulbasutras stand as a testament to his genius. They remind us that the quest for mathematical understanding is a shared human endeavor, one that has been pursued by brilliant minds across the ages and around the world. Got a scientific hero? Let us know in the comments.